thought that it could.
Apples that I got in survival mode, and he is obviously not appreciative.
Oh, I am totally appreciative. Why do you even eat apples inside survival mode when it is on peaceful?
Because they're enchanted golden apples.
Hey guys, I hope you.
Do you want some mine things?
Stop ruining me with my
things that blow up. Come inside.
I actually almost went inside. No, guys, did you see my?
Nathan, look, come here. Let me give you something.
Oh my gosh, I love. Really, did you really have to try throwing?
I'm sorry.
Thank you, buddy. I've already died about 300 times. Do you like?
I'm sorry.
I have a question. Do you like my sword?
Okay, dude.
Do you like my new sword?
I'm sorry. I'll have to give you one. How'd you give people these?
What? You kill them. Actually, I do not know.
I just wasted all of my weapons.
I have a question. Can we also have some diamond armor?
My health forever.
Really? Were you really that idiotic?
So do you want some armor? I will get some.
I was outside of your house the whole entire time because I know how to type.
Nathan, come back.
No, can I please have some diamond armor?
I will. I'm getting it. I have a tiny chest.
Hey, where's the rest of your emeralds? I thought you were going to do your whole entire
I
floor.
actually do have a lot more emerald. I'm just too lazy to turn them back. Nathan, come look. Hey, cute.
You just picked it up.
No, I didn't.
Stop picking up things.
I'm not. I'm totally not. Here you go. I'm gonna run away.
But I want my pants. I want pants up.
Where did my pants go? Where are my pants? Dude, meet me in that boat.
I have crashed. Okay, no, I have not crashed. But still, I kind of want a sword too. Did you bring yourself my
Oh
axe?
my god, they got teleported away. Wait a second, I was about to.
I have one question. Did you bring my sword or axe or whatever it was? I'm just going to try sprinting over there without dying.
Ooh, arrows. I need a bow though.
Hey, can you please give me my axe? Hey, Jane, can you please give me my axe? Why are you sticking a sword straight through? I want to be able to punch you.
I killed some random dude.
I want to find.
Why are you trying to hit me? I'm going crazy.
Hi, 719. Here's a free golden apple.
Oh my god, he killed me and I had my golden apple.
No, he looks like he has corrupt matter on him. That's why I gave him the golden apple.
He ate it.
Did you really just digest that?
Can you please meet me in my house?
No, can you? No, I want to have a sword or an axe.
Let's have a player versus player combat, Nathan.
Okay, Jane. Also, Jane, you will have to.
My house.
No, Jane, we're not going to be at your house. We have to get weapons and armor. Also, no enchantments. Just to see who's a better player. If you... I just
and then
crashed.
we go to the PvP area. Okay?
Why am I crashing?
Now we're going to the PvP area, okay? No enchants at all.
No, you can only enchant our swords.
No. Because I don't have any enchants.
No, I only have knockback, sharpness, unbreaking, and sharpness.
Really?
Yeah, those are the onlys. I might as well just make another one of my own. Oh no, I do not have any sticks.
I'm putting all my armor on, by the way.
No, I do not need that stupid, Jane, how about this? I will fight you with a stone sword, because stone is great.
Wait, I actually have something with enchants, by the way.
Can we at least wear enchanted armor? Oh.
Enchanted armor, because I don't have any enchanted armor.
Wait till we can enchant our diamond sword.
Sure, whatever.
Did you just hear that?
Yeah, I don't care.
No, literally.
Seriously, I only have 13 on my axes?
I'm just going to use my knockback
Oh
sword.
my god, help!
OMG! Let me just look at...
What in the world are you doing? What are you going to even use? You're probably just going to run off of the edge.
I'm sorry if I was acting a little bit AFK.
He's not always a AFK, so I'm going to PvP the dinosaur, okay?
Oh no, not as this. What do you mean? Oh.
I'm in love. So dude, come on.
I am in love with Coley. Let's just go to the little respawn.
No PvP area.
That's
I really hope I don't fall.
okay, let's go to the PvP area.
Oops!
Don't worry, you take no fall damage.
Oops!
Are those Germans? Are those the German Stukas that are
Did you hear
dive?
my voice? Oops! Didn't mean
Are those the German dive bomber Stukas?
Dude,
I
come
freaking failed.
Go back to the PvP area.
No, Jane, why can't we just be by those beautiful...
Now we're gonna climb.
awkward music? No, Jane, let's just go to the little volcano that's made of wool.
The volcano?
Yeah.
You at the base.
No, the volcano is our base. Stupid.
You're right there, you know. Come back. Please. Please give me back my
We can... Wait, I have a question. No.
my Curtis. David, please, my Curtis.
You are now in combat.
I'm just gonna see someone take back.
Is it just me, or is my armor really goodly enchanted?
Your armor's not even enchanted, you big doofus. Help me.
I just swim inside of the water, sail in the water, in the water. Wait, you can drown in peaceful mode. Am I the biggest noob inside of Minecraft?
Yes, you are, dude. Can we please go somewhere else?
Yes.
Out of the water? Like, by the
I forgot that we couldn't swim because we're not inside of 1.13.
We can't swim. What do you mean swim?
As in, don't you remember inside of 1.13 that you could swim?
No.
You knew. Why can you not parkour?
Can't you dive underwater at 1.13?
Hold on a second. What will happen if we go here? Never mind. There are stupendous barrier blocks as usual. No, Jane. Are those little airplanes Stukas from Germany? The Hitler Stukas.
You?
I hate Hitler.
I hate you.
I hate Hitler.
Dude, can we just go to a safe spot to battle?
Uh, You can't speak and do that stupid. Are you really that idiotic that you're inside of a corner with barrier blocks? You don't even see those little barrier blocks that are inside
Are
of
you
your little...
taking any damage?
Not really.
Can you please stop hitting me?
No, I'm taking a lot of damage, actually.
Can you please stop hitting me? I'm not taking any damage, by the way.
Wait, so if I keep on hitting you, you will not die. That makes a lot of weird sense.
Nathan, stop, please! I'm dying! Dude, I'm gonna have a heart. Please stop, please. First to like unleash my anger. Please stop, Nathan! Stop!
Are you giving that to me? Hey, I love you. I actually love you now.
I can't believe you gave me your shirt.
Oh, God! Oh, my God!
Oh my god!
Oh!
I
Oh, my God!
still
jukebox. No, we actually have a. No, I mean the Jack in the
Dude,
Box. No, why did you actually throw me?
This is where
I have no
so.
Stupid.
Come back,
I'm gonna. Bye bye. I am. No, literally, Jean, I can barely play Minecraft anymore because you literally threw me and my arm just whacked on a little Jack in the Box. No, literally. No, literally, I actually hit a Jack in the Box. Why did you throw me on the couch? I'm just going to be running from you.
Okay, dude, here's your shirt. Here's your shirt. Come here.
Don't kiss me.
Here's your shirt.
You picked it up. You stupid! Why did you? Thank you. Now I'm gonna kill you. No. Bro, you don't even do any damage. I'm just gonna go inside of this little hole.
There's a little hole. I love holes.
I love holes, and holes love me. No, G, do you want me to play some music for you? Can you hear this?
Are there literally... Nathan, are there any holes?
No, there is one little hole that I got stuck in a few hours ago.
Where is the hole? I love holes.
Also, guys, this is what happens when you play Minecraft at 9:49. You start lagging until you die.
You know, this is what happens when you play Minecraft with me. I go poop because I love holes.
No, literally, who does not love holes? Oh my god, I have found another hole. My mom's home.
Yay. Hi, Mom. Hey, guys. Taco Bell.
Real. Oh my god.
Actually make food for anyone?
Actually, I did. It was cheese bread.
Jake.
OMG, guys, I'm sorry, but this is probably my favorite video.
Thanks, Joseph, for dinner, guys.
I mean, guys, I can barely play Minecraft because my big sister threw me on a Jack in the Box. Oh wait, no, that was my Nerf dart box. No, that was my Nerf dart box that was made out of metal that I made from scrap little spike cans. What? I make things out of metal for no reason whatsoever. I am starting to lag. 1 second, everybody. By the way, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me just take off my armor real quick in case I die, because I didn't really care if I die. Guys, like. Okay, guys, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed my video, and I forgot what I was going to say. Also, guys, please give I'm shouting out to one of my big sister's channels. My big sister's channel. She has not actually. Oops. She did not actually play with me on her while she was recording because I don't know why she wasn't. I mean, guys, literally, guys, who does not love 2 YouTube channels on YouTube together? Guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see y'all guys all next video. I was going to say next time awkwardly, but for some reason I just said next video. Hold on, guys. Are you seeing this? Are you guys, when you punch, your body somehow wiggles? Guys, literally, guys, like my body is wiggling. Isn't that so funny? No, guys, bye, guys. I hope you all had it. Hold on a second. Oh my God! There is a Stuka from World War II that Hitler made himself. Well, not really himself, but crap. I'm gonna leave the video here. I'm sorry. Awkward ending. Don't worry about it. Also, guys, I'm sorry about that little weird stuff that happened at like 5 minutes or so when I started randomly disconnecting. Oh, right, that didn't happen because I restarted my recording because of that. Well, I'm sorry, everybody, and thank you guys all for watching this video. Hope you guys all have a great time. Please subscribe if you haven't, if you want to. Guys, subscribe if you want to. Yeah, my big sister just said, just subscribe and leave a like on the video. Guys, be sure to leave a like if you liked it. Get it? Because if you liked it, because you leave the like. Okay, that makes no sense. Guys, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all on my next video. Not next time, because that sounds weird, right?